Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to download driver XP LaserJet Pro. This here for serial, and you type here driver alert. This one, and search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. This here for support.xp.com. You click here URL the website, and this here for the this here for the printer, and this here for the tag automatic my operating system, and my operating system for Windows 10. And if you need change the operating system, you click choose a different operating system, and this here for operating system you click here. This here for operating system Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and this here for Android. And I'm search for the Macintosh, and this here for Macintosh the version, much different version for the Macintosh, and this here for Linux. You click here, and this here for match the Linux version, this here for EOS, this here for match EOS for operating system version, this here for the Android, this here for Android version, much version for Android, and this here for the Windows, this here for select version, and this here for the version for Windows. And this video I need to load for the Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11. Click here for update, and this here for much for driver for the Windows 11 support. This here for driver recommended. This here for support the include the printer, scanner. This here fact. This here for the all the copy for the your printer, and this here for I am recommended for I am recommended you download here here the driver. And if you need download, you click here for button download. This here for the driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, and this here for button turn on. You turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and please while finish ready for the load. If you finish ready for the load, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description, and or the search for by Google, and for the official website if you need link a lot. And bye bye.